Since I got my parents this dust removing screen protector, they no longer ask me to go to retail stores for them. Retail stores, yes, they apply it for you, but you spend a bunch of time and they are extremely expensive without providing you any good quality for this screen protector. Now with this, all they need to do, even with dust from the phone, just put it on top, pull the dust removing tape, swipe and peel. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. This is the privacy version. It protects your privacy from both sides.